I'll tell you what, the chicken is just so, like, you could just cut it with a spoon tender. It's just so spicy, but then you have the crunch from those green onions. It's just, wow. This is so good. Chicken, enchilada, pasta, bake. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so the backstory. I'm home alone, I'm a bachelor, and I'm bored, and I'm lazy, and I don't want to barbecue because it's sprinkling outside, and I sound like a real wuss. But anyways, today I'm going to be using the Ninja Foodi on the slow cooker setting. So if you don't have a Ninja Foodi, you can do a crock pot, same exact thing. And I'm going to be making a recipe that's been floating around on YouTube for a while. There's various variations of it. And it's chicken enchilada pasta. It's going to be some chicken breast. We're going to shred it up, some red sauce, some pasta, some cheese, some Mexican oregano, stuff like that. I'll get over all the ingredients with you. I'm going to be cooking it on high today for about 4 hours. Obviously, you could slow cook it 8 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours on low. Like I said, I'm home alone. I just want something fast, easy, that's not takeout food. All right, come along with me. Get out your Ninja Foodi. Let's go over the ingredients, dump them all in. 4 hours, we'll be eating. All right, come on back. Okay, let's go over our ingredients. I got some rigatoni pasta. I got 28-ounce can of the red enchilada sauce. I got the medium. I got the hot, one of these little green chilies, one of that. Chili powder, cumin, Mexican oregano. I got some green onions. I told you I was lazy. I got some green onions that are already cut up back there, about a cup. I'm gonna grate my own cheddar cheese, sour cream, about 2 pounds of chicken breast, salt and pepper, and those are all of your ingredients. I've already put in my 2 pounds of chicken. Next, I'm gonna dump in my whole entire can of the red enchilada sauce. And again, I got medium, you can get mild, hot, whatever you want. I like it a little bit on the spicier side. Next, I'm gonna take my whole entire little can of chilies, put that in there. Next, I'm going to take about 1 cup of the green onions that I already bought, but I'm going to save a little bit for garnish at the very end, though, also. Next, we're going to do some salt. About a teaspoon or so. These are our new little electric salt and pepper grinders. Okay, so we got some salt. Let's drop in the cracked black pepper. We're going in with a teaspoon of Mexican oregano. We're going in with a tablespoon of chili powder. We're going in with a teaspoon of cumin. And so those are all of our ingredients thus far. And now I'm just going to give it a little mix around, and we'll get the slow cooker slow cooking. All right. So we want to turn our Ninja Foodi on, or our crock pot on. We're going to go to slow cook, but I want it on high. I'm going 4 hours on high. Start. See you guys back in a little bit. Okay, so while that is cooking, 3 very important announcements. Number 1, when I'm home alone and I am looking for something super simple to cook, maybe in the crock pot or Ninja Foodi, pressure cooker, stuff like that, I always go to YouTube. There's a YouTube channel that I'm really liking lately called The Magical Slow Cooker. I will put a link up above to that channel. I don't know who that is, but I just like the recipes on there, and I like what the channel's doing, so shout out to them. Number 2, if you guys have been watching the television and the fake news, you will see that we're having a major problem in our country with the ships, the big cargo ships, still out to sea and not being able to come into the ports. So they are predicting that by Christmas time, Hanukkah and Christmas time, that we are going to have a difficult time getting Christmas presents, supplies, different stuff like that. So, links below for a lot of gadgets that Babe and I like. It may be a good idea, since it's mid-October currently, to give those a look-see or to do some shopping now. We are going to start doing a series in the coming days and weeks of different companies that we like and different products that we use. And in talking to some of these companies, even they have concerns that as it comes time to their holiday rush, that they might have a problem. So, if you're looking to buy gifts, mid-October now might be the time to start looking into that. Lastly, I would like to thank all of our channel members, there's a little join button that's next to the subscribe button, or there's a behind the scenes community tab in the description below. The people that have taken the time to hit that button and support our channel, we really, really appreciate you. So thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart and the bottom of Babe's heart. Right, Babe? Right. Anyway, as soon as the 4 hours is up, I'll bring you guys back. We'll show you how to do it, and then I'm gonna grub down because I'm hungry. We'll see you in a minute. Holy moly, the house smells amazing. It's been 4 hours on high, and we got a lot of work to do. 1 cup sour cream. Look at that. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Let's get gnarly. Let's put in 2 little blocks of cheddar. Let's put in more cheddar. Oh yeah. Let's put in our pasta. Okay, the sour cream, the cheddar, the pasta, that's already cooked. Well, I already cooked the pasta in some salty water. So now we just give it a, oh wow, this smells so good. Now let's just give it a little mix. We're gonna crock pot it again for like 20 more minutes. But let's just get silly for a minute. And again, the pasta's already cooked. This is definitely a concoction. It smells so good. I'm not joking. It smells so good. And if you guys noticed, I didn't even shred the chicken because they were already kind of small as it is. And I'm going to eat it, and I'm going to just kind of cut it with my fork and stuff like that. The chicken's like, you can see it's like so, like, just a wooden spoon breaks it up. It's ridiculous. It's so good. Okay, crock pot for 20 more minutes. A little cheese on the top. Oh, hold on. Yeah, get all that. And then we'll be good to go. 20 more minutes, we'll see you back. This whole entire video has been a close-up of the crock pot, the Ninja Foodi. But I'm just gonna do a little tiny bit of the green onions because the thumbnail, you know, the thumbnail. And obviously it's delicious. So let me get a quick thumbnail. I'm gonna dish it out into a bowl. I'll show you guys, and then we'll do a taste test. Let's put a little bit of this in the bowl with the chicken, with everything. Oh, wow. Holy moly. I mean, this is silly. Plenty more for later. Oh, boy. Okay. You guys saw the whole package. At-home video by myself. Probably not the most professional, but, you know, we gotta say. Let me show the folks. Let me show the folks. I mean, it smells absolutely amazing. I don't know what to say. All right, let's get a little pasta. Let's get a little chicken. Let's do the whole package. Wow. Holy moly. This is ridiculous. With the green onions and everything like that. Let me show the folks. Let me show the folks. Wow. Okay. Red enchilada. Ooh. That's very good. That is very good. Wow. All right. You guys, crock pot, Ninja Foodi, whatever you guys got, slow cooker, 4 hours on high, 8 hours on low, whatever you do. But that's very good. That little combination of spices and herbs and the little green chilies and the red sauce and stuff like that, it's very, very good. So, all right, that is all I have to say for this video. Babe, I need you back here. I need you to cook with me. It's pretty good, though. Wow. That's very good. All right. We will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for making it this far into the video. See ya.